Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Welcome to our new video. This is the second question of Strava SDE Pascal triangle. So let's read the question. Given an integer num_row, return the first num_rows of Pascal triangle. In Pascal triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it as shown. Okay, means we have given an integer that is num_row. You can see and we have to return a Pascal triangle. Means we have to return this vector of int that contains the element of this Pascal triangle. So if we have given an integer 5, then we have to return the Pascal triangle of 5 row. And if we have to given 7, 8, that we have to return the Pascal triangle of that integer means that row. So in this question, we have given the number of row is 5. So triangle contains 5 row. And you can observe one thing that each first and last element of each row is 1. You can see in this triangle, first element and last element of each row is 1. And rest of the element is the sum of above two elements. Let's see, this 2 comes by addition of this 1 and 1. And this 3, this 3 comes the addition of 1 and 2. Also, this 3 comes the addition of this above two elements, 2 and 1. This 4 comes addition of 1 and 3. So, so how we will solve this problem? First, we will declare a vector of int, our Pascal triangle. This will be our answer. After this, we will run a for loop from I equal to 0 to less than n, where n is our numbers. And after that, we will declare a vector which will be our rows, and the length of this vector row vector will be length of this row vector is I plus 1, where I is the index. Let's understand. uh, First, we will run a for loop from I equal to 0 to n minus 1, where n is the number that we have given number. And after that, we will declare a vector of I plus 1, where I is the index, means first row contain one element, second row contain two elements. So each row has the number of element equal to the index number plus 1, because first row has 0 index, second row is the index 1. So each row has element equal to the index plus 1. Okay. And we will set all elements first as 1. After this, we will override elements. So let's suppose this is ith row and this is jth column, means this is the answer of ith row and jth column. So this sum is equal to the this I minus 1 row and j minus 1 column and j column. So we will override our row as a answer of I j equal to answer of I minus 1 row of j minus 1 column plus answer of I minus 1 row of j column. So this is our intuition and pseudocode. So I showed you pseudocode. So please pause this video and try by yourself first. Now let's code it. Uh, First, we will declare a vector of int. Uh, let's suppose answer. After this, we will run a for loop from 0 to n minus 1 minus 1 I plus plus. After this, we will declare a vector of row that will contain row element uh, vector in rows contain I plus 1 element, and we will initialize as 1, means all element of rows as 1. After this, we will run a for loop from int say equal to 1 is less than I say plus plus. As I said that uh, first element and last element of each row is 1, so that's why we run a for loop from 1 to I, means uh, we will override the element from first element to n minus 1 element, means I minus 1 element. So after that, uh, row of ith row ith column equal to uh, answer of I minus 1 a minus 1 plus answer of I minus 1 and ith column. After this, when this loop will terminate, uh, we will push this row into our answer dot push back rows and return answer. Let's run this code. Okay, this is somewhere I equal to num rows. Okay, num row, and here we took another mistake. We did another mistake. Let's run again. Let's again run. In our output, we have 4 columns. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just submit it. Okay, it is affected. So the time complexity and space complexity is O of n O of n into m, where m is the number of columns, and space complexity is O of n into m plus O of m. This is the more optimized solution in which the time complexity is n into m and space complexity is n into m, where n is the number of rows and m is the number of average column in each row. In our previous solution, our space complexity is n into m plus m. In that solution, we used a extra vector rows, but
in this solution, first we will declare a vector of an Pascal triangle contain num rows. Means let's suppose its value is 5. It means there are a Pascal triangle in which there is 5 rows. After this, we run a this for loop from I equal to 0 till I less than n. After this, we are using resize function to resize this row. Means Pascal triangle dot I means for 0th row means this row we are resizing as I plus 1 means now this contain 1 column, this will contain 2 column. After this we are set the first element and last element of each row as 1, I0 and II. It means first element and last element of each row is 1. After that we will run a for loop as we run a previous solution. So this is the more optimized, in which time and space complexity is O of n into m, or you can say O of n square. Thank you.